Leah. Oops. Oops. Alia. Then on this one to the I left it in the car.
No, I saw it in your closet.
Huh?
I saw it in your closet.
Mom told me to write it down. Oh shit. Story, let's how I made it last class. Oops. Alia, you ran out. Start moving and trying to get it off the place. Oops. Okay, I'm done with the yogurt. Again.
Goodbye, Leah.
Alia.